Sonic Boom of the South is the best band in the land because we are the summa cum laude of bands. We pay attention to detail. Also, we have a certain energy and tenacity that you can't find in any other band program. When you talk about the Jackson 5 drum majors, you talk about the Prince and J sets, talk about the War and Thunder drum line, and we hadn't even reached the pinnacle of talking about our wins. So when you put all of those different aspects together, you're going to get the amazing Sonic Boom of the South that just cannot be recreated anywhere. We are the summa cum laude of bands.